Okay, let us continue to solve some of the examples which have been left in the last class. Okay, see, in our last class, regarding this example, so we have verified a plus b whole dash is equal to a dash plus b dash. So for the same matrix a and b, now I will consider second case here, a minus b whole dash is equal to a dash minus b dash. So here first we have to work out a minus b, then you consider the transpose of a minus b, then you compare LHS and RHS. Okay, so I will take up the second case here. Okay, so I will directly start the solution. See, you write the elements correctly. So a is minus 1 2 3 5 7 9 minus 2 1 1, then b is minus 4 1 minus 5 1 2 0 1 3 1. Okay, let us zoom it here. See here, a minus b whole dash is equal to a dash minus b dash. So I am going to do this second case. So let us consider the second case. So consider a minus b. So a minus b means we have to write the matrices here. So minus 1 2 3 5 7 9, then minus 2 1 1 minus b. So minus 4 1 minus 5 1 2 0 1 3 1. So this is a minus b. See here, we have to consider the corresponding elements. So write it carefully here. So I will write it here. See, minus 1 minus of minus 4, that will be what? Minus 1 plus 4. Then 2 minus 1. Then 3, see here, 3 minus of minus 5. So be careful about the negative signs. 3 minus of minus 5, that will be 3 plus 5. Then second row, 5 minus 1, then 7 minus 2, then 9 minus 0. See, last row here, minus 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3, then 1 minus 1. So this is the last row. So then write this correctly. So afterwards we can make the simplification in the next step. See, minus 1 plus 4, 2 minus 1, 3 plus 5 is the first row. Second row is 5 minus 1, 7 minus 2, 9 minus 0. See, minus 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3 and 1 minus 1. So let us make the simplification in the next step. So that becomes a minus b is equal to, so what was the first element here? Minus 1 plus 4. So minus 1 plus 4 means what? 3. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 minus 1 is 4. 7 minus 2 is 5. 9 minus 0 is 9 only. Then minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is a minus b. So what we want on the left hand side here is a minus b whole dash, means we have to write the transpose. So I will make the transpose here. 3 1 8 4 5 9 minus 3 minus 2 0. See, this is a minus b whole dash. So it is LHS. So afterwards we can compare this with RHS after simplifying. See, 3 4 minus 3, 1 5 minus 2, 8 9 0. So this is a minus b whole dash. Okay, so next what we have to calculate? So we have to calculate a dash minus b dash. So a dash and b dash, so we know this. We have a dash is equal to, C, transpose of a is this one. So that is 5 7 9 and minus 2 1 1. This is a dash. And transpose of second matrix is minus 4 1 minus 5 1 2 0 1 3 1. So this is transpose of b. So now we have to subtract these two, a dash minus b dash. See here, observe the elements, then write the corresponding elements in the next step. Okay, a dash minus b dash. So I will consider the subtraction in the next step. So therefore a dash minus b dash, see here, you have to write it continuously. So that is minus 1 plus 4, then 5 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1, then 2 minus 1, 7 minus 2, 1 minus 3, so 3 plus 5, 9 minus 0, 1 minus 1. So this is the corresponding, so these are the corresponding elements here. So next we have to write this, so after simplification, so that will be what that I will write in the next step here. So a dash minus b dash is equal to, see, minus 1 plus 4, that is 3, 5 minus 1 is 4, minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3, 2 minus 1 is 1, 7 minus 2 is 5, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, then this is 8, 9 minus 0 is 9, 1 minus 1 is 0. See, so this is our RHS. So you compare this with the earlier answer, so we see that RHS, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore a minus b whole dash is equal to a dash minus b dash. So this property also holds good. So here see, these two have been covered here. A minus b whole dash is equal to a dash minus b dash. Okay, so this we have already found out transpose of the following here. Okay, now let us consider this. Okay, this example. See, observe the example carefully. So I will zoom it here. See, if a dash is equal to, see, a dash is given, it is not a. See, a dash is equal to minus 2 3, minus 2 3 1 2. See, a dash, that means transpose is given, and this is second matrix B, minus 1 0 1 2. Then find, so what we have to find, a plus 2b whole dash. Okay, a plus 2b whole dash. So it is given, a dash is given. So I will, let us do the solution in the next page. So what is given here? See, a dash is given in the problem, minus 2 3 1 2. So this is given. So a dash is given means, see, what is the matrix A? That means we have to transpose it again. See, a dash whole dash is equal to A. Then what I have to do? Here I have to interchange the rows and columns. I will get the matrix A. So see, this is A. This is my matrix A. So this is the matrix A, and B is already given in the problem. Okay, and B is equal to, so this is given as minus 1 0 1 2. So this is already given here. So A is known, B is known. We can find out A plus 2B whole dash. Okay, what are the things known here? So we have A is equal to, so minus 2 1 3 2, and B is equal to minus 1 0 1 2. So this is B. Then 2B, so we have to multiply every element of the matrix B by 2. Okay, 2B, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. So 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2, 2 into 0 is 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. This is 2B. See this is 2B. So we have to calculate all these things. First we have to find out A, then you find out 2B, then consider A plus 2B. That is, say, what was our matrix A? Minus 2 1. This is A plus, so 2B is minus 2 0. This is 2 and 4. See, this is A plus 2B. Then we have to add the corresponding elements. So write it here, minus 2. See here, minus 2 plus of minus 2. That means minus 2 minus 2. Then 1 plus 0. Then corresponding element for 3 is 2. So 3 plus 2. Then what is this? 2 plus 4. So you can write this 2 plus 4. So now you observe these elements and write the correct elements in the next step. So that is, I will get minus 2 minus 4. Then 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. So this is A plus 2B. So what we want? A plus 2B whole dash transpose. So we have to interchange the rows and columns here. Observe here. This is A plus 2B whole dash. Okay, so a simple problem for 2 marks. So what we have covered here is, see this one is over here. So now let us go for next example here. See here, for the matrices, for the matrices A and B, verify that AB whole dash is equal to B dash A dash. So here two cases I have given here. First one is this one, second one is, so let us consider this first one and let us prove this AB whole dash is equal to B dash A dash. So see here, these two have been previously asked in the examination for 5 marks questions in part D. Therefore we have to observe these two carefully. Okay, now I am going to consider this first case here. For the matrices A and B, verify that AB whole dash is equal to B dash A dash. Okay, let us consider that here. So what is given here? So given matrices are, see A is equal to 1 minus 4 3, B equals minus 1 2 1. Okay, then we have to verify AB whole dash is equal to B dash A dash. So here see, this is column matrix and this is a row matrix. So we have to verify the property AB whole dash is equal to B dash. So first we have to find out the product. So consider AB. So that is 1 minus 4 3. This is A. B is minus 1 2 1. So now we have to consider the product here. So that is, see, observe carefully here. 1 minus 4 3 into B is what? Minus 1 2 1. Okay, next I will multiply this here. See, so what is the rule for multiplication? Start with row and consider all the elements in the column. Okay, see, 1 into minus 1. See, 1 into minus 1, that is what? Minus 1. I am going to write it directly. See here, 1 into minus 1 means I have covered the first row here. Then next, same row and second column, I have to move here. See, leave some space. 1 into 2, so you have to write 2 here. Not, you don't have to write sign here. See, 1 into minus 1 is over. Leave some space. 1 into 2, 2. Then same row, third column. 1 into 1, that is 1. Now you consider second row. Minus 4 into minus 1. Minus 4 into minus 1, that is plus 4. Then minus 4 into 2, that is minus 8. Then minus 4 into 1, minus 4. Then you consider the third row. 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. Then 3 into 2, that is 6. 3 into 1, that is 3. So this is AB. So you have to do the multiplication like this. So some students, what they will do, they will add up all these elements. See, they will add up all these elements. That's not like that. Row into column, row into column. So first row, first column, that gives me minus 1. First row, second column gives me 2. First row, third column gives me 1. Similarly, second row, first column gives me 4. Then minus 4 into 2, minus 8. Minus 4 into 1, minus 4. Then 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 1, 3. So in this way, we can get the product AB. So we want AB whole dash. So we got AB is equal to, see here, minus 1 2 1, 4 minus 8 minus 4, minus 3 6 3. This is AB. So that is AB old dash, that is we have to write the transpose of this matrix. So minus 1 2 1, 4 minus 8 minus 4, minus 3 6 3. So it interchange the rows and columns. So you note down this is LHS. Okay, AB, we have found out AB old dash. Next, what we have to do, we have to find out the RHS. What is the RHS here? AB old dash is equal to B dash A dash. So next we have to find out B dash A dash. See here, B dash A dash. Okay, first we write B dash and A dash. So that is B dash. So transpose of second matrix. See, second matrix was a row matrix, that becomes what? Column matrix. Minus 1 2 1. This is B dash. Then A dash is, so A dash is a column matrix, that becomes row matrix. 1 minus 4 3. So now we have to multiply these two. So consider B dash A dash. So I will write this one. So B dash is minus 1 2 1 into A dash 1 minus 4 3. Okay. So now I am going to multiply it. See, observe here. First row, first column. Minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1. So leave some space. Minus 1 into minus 4, that is 4. Minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3. Then 2 into 1, that is 2. Then 2 into minus 4, minus 8. 2 into 3, 6. Okay, 6. Then 1 into 1, 1. 1 into minus 4, minus 4. 1 into 3, 3. So it is B dash A dash. Minus 1, 4, minus 3, 2, minus 8, 6, 1, minus 4. So this is our RHS. So you compare every element of RHS and LHS. So we see that comparing this, we get AB old dash is equal to B dash A dash. So this is the 5 marks question. So you can note down the solution. So here, see here. So 1 minus 4 3, B is equal to minus 1 2 1. We have verified the property A dash B dash is equal to B dash A dash. See, same property. So we'll consider the second case. Okay. Second one is, see, A is equal to 0 1 2 is given. That means A dash is equal to what? It will be a row matrix. Then B is equal to, it is given as 1 5 7. So B dash is equal to, it will be a column matrix, 1 5 7. Okay, you write down A dash and B dash. Okay, and next consider the any one of the side here. So let us consider AB. So A means 0 1 2, B means 1 5 7. Okay, let me explain it again here. See, first row, first column, 0 into 1. What is that? 0. Product is 0. Then no need to write positive sign. See, 0 into 1 means there is one column only here. So 0 into 1, 0. Leave some space. Then same row, second column, 0 into 5, that is 0. Then 0 into, see, third column 7 is there. 0 into 7, that is 0. Then you move to second row. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 7, 7. Then third, so 2 is there. 2 into 1, 2. Then 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 7, 14. See, it's very, very simple here. This is AB. Okay. So next we have to consider AB old dash. You make the transpose here. So what we want, therefore AB old dash. So you make a transpose here. So interchanging of rows and columns, 2 10 14. So it is the answer for LHS. So now let us go for RHS. So consider RHS. RHS is what? B dash A dash. So what is our B dash? 157. A dash is 0 1 2. So you have to leave some space between the elements. See here, first row, first column, 1 into 0 0, then 1 into 1 1, then 1 into 2 2. So we move to second row, 5 into 0 0, 5 into 1 5, 5 into 2 10, then last is 7 is there, 7 into 0 0, 7 into 1 7, 7 2s are 14. See, this is the RHS. So comparing LHS and RHS, you see that LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, in this case also we have proved AB old dash is equal to B dash A dash. So this is also a question carrying 5 marks. Okay. So these two have been covered here. See, observe this. Here another example is there. If A equals minus 2, 4, 5, B equals 1, 3, 6, then also you verify AB old dash is equal to B dash A dash. Okay, so these two have been covered here. So you have to work out this one also. So let us consider that one here. So in this number is given as 21 here. So you give the serial numbers. So what is given here? If A equals, see, minus 2, 4, 5, and B is given as 1, 3, minus 6. So then A dash is equal to what? So A dash is minus 2, 4, 5. This is the transpose of the matrix A. Then you can write B dash. So B dash will be, B dash is equal to 1, 3, minus 6. Okay. So you consider the product AB. So that is, consider product AB. So what is A? A is minus 2, 4, 5. B is 1, 3, minus 6. Okay, I will write the product here. So see here, one more chance for you here. See, first row, first column. What I have to write? Minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. That's over. Minus 2 into 3, that is minus 6. Then minus 2 into, see here, minus 2 into minus 6. So product means minus 2 minus plus 2 6 are 12. Similarly, second row, 4 into 1 4, 4 into 3 12, 4 into minus 6, that is minus 24. Then 5 ones are 5, 5 into 3 15, 5 into minus 6, that is minus 30. So this is AB. Then we don't want AB here. What do you want on the LHS? AB old dash. So transpose. Therefore AB old dash, that means transpose of A. So I am writing the transpose now. So AB old dash is minus 2, minus 6, 12, 4, 12, minus 24, then 5, 15, minus 30. So this is answer for LHS. Okay. Then consider, see, B dash A dash. We have already written B dash and A dash. So what is B dash? So B dash is 1, 3, minus 6. Then A dash is minus 2, 4, 5. So then you consider the product here. See, first row, first column, 1 into minus 2, that is minus 2. Then 1 into 4 is 4. 1 into 5 is 5. It is 5. Then 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. 3 into 4 12. 3 into 5 15. Then last row we have minus 6. Minus 6 into minus 2, that is plus 12. Then minus 6 into 4 minus 24. Minus 6 into 5 minus 30. So it is the answer for RHS. So comparing LHS and RHS, we have AB old dash is equal to B dash A dash. Okay, see here, AB old dash is equal to B dash A dash. So AB old dash is equal to B dash. So these three have been covered here. Then this one is also A plus 2B old dash. Here A dash was given. Then what we have completed here, find the transpose of each of the following. So we have to write, interchange the rows and columns, then we get the transposes. Then what is the see here, A plus B old dash is equal to A dash plus B dash, and A minus B old dash is equal to A dash minus B dash. So these are the properties along with this one. AB old dash is equal to B dash A dash. Okay, so in this class I have covered see, properties of transpose of a matrix. So what are the properties of transpose of a matrix? See here, A dash old dash is equal to A. Then we have worked out A plus B old dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. Then AB old dash is equal to B dash into A dash. Okay, so another property is there here. KA old dash is equal to K into A dash. See that another property is Ka old, where K is a scalar here. Ka old dash is equal to K can be outside here. K into A dash. So this is also we can verify it. Ka old dash is equal to, so that scalar can be taken outside and we can only write the transpose of the matrix. Okay, so that is the property mentioned here. So it is where K is any constant. So AB old dash is equal to B dash A dash. So here symmetric and skew symmetric matrix we have explained in our previous video. So you can write all the notes and go through these problems, solutions of these problems carefully. Shall continue in the next class.